Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko 2221 GPK. This is a U-shaped style door bottom, but this is a specialty unit because not only does it have a drip cap integrated into the unit, but it's really intended for a door bottom that has an inverted bottom channel. I really wouldn't install this model on a flush bottom door. I would install it onto a door specifically that it had an inverted bottom channel. And generally, the only doors that I see with that would be a hollow metal door. Okay, a steel door, going to have an inverted bottom channel. This would work really nice in that regard where the door comes all the way down here. So the 2221 is representative of this profile of this item. And there is an image down below that will show us all of the important dimensional properties of this item, and let's check it out now. First of all, it's for an 1 3/4 thick door. You've got an 1 3/8 on the outside. Sorry. Okay, you've got 1 inch on the inside. It's really closer to 1 1/8. Okay, the important part really is the dimension on the bottom. They're saying that it's a 1/4 inch from down where the door is going to reside, the bottom of the door, down to the bottom of the sill. And that would be an important dimension. I think you'd be able to really make good work with a door bottom like this, along with a 1/2 inch saddle style threshold. You've got a hollow metal door, typical 3/4 inch undercut, and I think you'd be in good shape. Why you might want gold? Well, it could be the color that's being used. That's all there is to it. This is a gold anodized finish. The 2221 is representative of this item. The G means gold anodized. The PK stands for Pemko preen. The insert that's here is a synthetic rubber, which is a very durable insert material from Pemko. Would be equivalent to like a neoprene sort of insert. Very high quality. This is going to be used in those applications where you need to seal a door that's either in swinging or out swinging. A drip cap is proven to be incredibly effective at helping drive the water away, because where's your line of defense? Well, it's under the door. By the time the insert stops the water or intrusion, you're already 1/3 of the way under the door. Well, I want to drive that water off and away as best as I can to really prevent it from pooling or collecting right in the face here. So that's why that drip cap is really effective. Okay, people who have used drip cap equipped weather stripping in the past become converted to always using the material. In fact, whether it be on a door sweep or a U-shaped door bottom or an L-shaped door bottom, or at the header overhead a frame, you'll very commonly see it installed as well, where Pemko is going to have drip caps that are about a 1/2 inch or 9/16 projection. This is probably 9/16. And then they also have one that's 2.5 inch, and that would be a header application for sure. I might go with the 2.5 inch projection. Yeah. Little shy on that, pushing a 1/2 inch. I would go with the 2.5 inch projection at the header if I could. If this is an outswing door, you're going to cut it to length and install it. If it's an in-swing door, you're certainly going to need to notch the drip cap around the stop. So be mindful of that you'll have to end up doing that. This is available in lots of different finishes. A for mill aluminum, C for clear anodized, D for dark bronze, G for gold, BDG for bright dip gold, it's more of a metallic shiny color, SN for satin nickel, PW for painted white. I'm sure you can do it in all those finishes. It's also listed in the website in lots of different lengths. Everything from 2 foot to 8 foot's listed in the site, and if you have need for a custom length, by all means, let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces, and simply indicate in the comment field the length that you'd like for us to ship the material out at. Now, the reasoning is this. If you had to take this 4-foot piece and cut it down to, say, 44 inch, well, you're certainly going to eliminate that slotted hole. More accurately is if it was a 36 inch piece and you're going to cut it down to 32 inch, you'll eliminate that slotted hole, certainly. The next one is here, and then down the road, down the line. And speaking of that, screws are included in a complementary finish. The point is that it's hard to drill a slotted hole in the field after you've cut the material down And plus, if you have the factory cut it, they're going to give you a nice clean edge. So the point is this: if you have need for a custom length, by all means, let us know. Order the next longest piece or pieces. Indicate in the comment field the net length that you'd like for us to have the material shipped out at, and that's what we'll endeavor to do. You'll see there's a little dent here. Very imperceptible. I've had people call me and say that it's damaged. No, it's not damaged. That's peened. That prevents this from sliding out on you, which it will eventually. Should you ever have to replace this, and the replacement is available, you're just going to get in there with a small instrument and lift that up and then pull it out and then reinsert and then repeen it back down. I've seen them do it where it's a little more obvious than other times, but nonetheless, that's what that little dimple is there for. The name Pemko is synonymous with all things weather stripping related. Not only door bottoms, but thresholds, perimeter gasketing for both residential and commercial applications. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Pemko products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Pemko 2221 GPK door bottom or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.